Okay, so hello lovelies, welcome to my channel, the Full Stack Guy. I am happy to have you here. So today we will be looking on collectors as always, but we will be looking at collectors.team. Okay, where can we use team and how can we use team? Why team is important and where team fits in our day-to-day life. Okay, so before that, if you want to see on flat mapping by collectors dot max by min by, so I have all those videos on my channel. Please have a look. I'll also give the link in the description. So in previous video we just discussed max by, min by, and so on. Okay, before that we had a discussion on flat mapping by. If you see here, we had a discussion on flat mapping by, where it fits, how it works, and so on and so forth. Okay, so in today's video we'll be focusing on collectors.t. Okay, what is t, how can you use basically, and why is it required? Okay, what problem do we get, or what challenge do we get, and what does it solve? Okay, so let's start. So before that, just I'll walk through you the code. If you're seeing this kind of video for the first time, our data, I have explained this data in my previous videos. So these are the list of employees. Every employee has these properties along with address and list of plans. This plans is nothing but the insurance and all those things. We are hard coded. The reason for that also I have spoken in my previous videos. So these are a couple of employees. There are 4 employees list, and those are been consumed by departments. Okay, I'll just clear this out. Those are been consumed by departments. 4 departments consuming 4 employee lists. Okay, a department has 3 parameters or 3 fields. Employee has this many parameters of fields. Okay, and which is first name, last name, age, salary, address, and so on. We have some getters which are useful, and address, of course. Okay, and plans, list of plans has company. so guys, just watch my previous video. I have explained the data in detail, and I've also explained why am I doing this kind of thing, because we don't want complexity, calling APIs and then manipulating that data and so on and so forth. Okay, so we are just keeping it simple, just exploring collectors, Java 8 and above. So collectors.team was the function or API, you can say, which was introduced in Java 12. Okay, it is a very useful function. So where does it fit? Say for example, you want, say you have employee data. Now you want a employee, okay, who has or in all the departments. Okay, in all the departments I want an employee who has minimum salary, and I also want an employee who has minimum age. Okay, so what would you do basically? So the simple solution for this is nothing but open a stream on department list, then collectors.minBy pass salary, collectors.minBy pass an age. Okay, but what I mean is, say for example, if we want an employee who has the minimum salary, and we also want an employee who has the minimum age. So it would be simple, some like this thing, departments dot say flat map we did. Okay, flat map, I have also explained why flat map. Okay, now stream. Okay, and here what I'll do is I'll collect it. Oh, not for each dot flat map stream.flatMap. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll collect this result, collectors dot say I have maxby. Okay, and I'll pass comparator dot comparing employee, let me pass it, and then salary. Okay, this is minBy salary. I got this as an optional. Okay, same way what I'll do, I'll just copy this. I'll do this is min age, this is no, sorry, this is min salary, salary employee, this is min age employee. Okay, and then you will return this result. But see, over here you then have to make an object. You have to set that data, say for example class emp response, something like that, and then sorry, class emp response, something like that, and then you will have some fields, for example string, something like a string, something like property. Okay, property, and then optional of employee, or maybe employee if you do get there, or else throw or something like that. So you'll do your optional of employee, and then you will set this data to the setters, and so on and so forth. So this is bit repetitive code, bit not a good code, and also this is not the proper use of collectors, right? Like, you have it, you can do it of course, but why do we have to do it this way? Rather, we have a very good solution where we can use teeing. Okay, what teeing, I'll just remove all these things. What teeing does is, see, data set dot departments, okay, dot stream dot flatMap. Okay, I'll take departments dot employees dot stream. Okay, here what I'll do, dot collect. Now in this collect, I'll pass collectors dot teeing. Okay, in this collectors dot teeing, see, we can how this method works. If you see the documentation, it takes one collector, it takes another collector, and it takes a merger. But merger is nothing but how can you combine those two collectors, and where could we put that collectors, in any collection, in any class, or anywhere. So for this video we will not go much complex. We will come with some other videos where we can do much more complex things. You can also write it down in comment section if we want some complex things. But before that, what we wanted employee with minimum age. Oh, okay, sorry guys, I am running out of battery. Just let me give it a charge to this. Just let me give a charge. Okay, and he's happy. Okay, so first collector I want to pass is collector dot minBy, right? Comparator dot comparing. First thing we did was salary, employee colon salary. Okay, fair enough. Second we want to pass is, just copy this, minBy we wanted to use, but age, right? Fair enough, he's happy. Now in one thing we have min sal, in other thing we have this is naming convention, guys. This is nothing to do with anything. Other thing we have, and we are passing a merger. Merger is nothing but how can we collect this. Okay, so what we want to do, we want to uh, collect something like property name, which will be minimum salary or something like that, and our employee. Why is it not coming? Yeah, employee. Okay, and this is nothing but employee map equal to new hash map. Okay, now what we can do, employee map dot put minimum salary colon minimum minsal dot get. Fair enough, easy. And just copy this. We are lazy developers, we want to write less and earn more, right? Okay, min sal we'll do min age dot get. Okay, and just return the employee map. Happy? We are happy. Okay, just collect this, let's say map, and just let's print it, guys. Map. Now if we see the result over here, you will get surprised how it works. So collectors or team, see, we got minimum age, came to Priyanka 22. Let's check the data. Let's find 22 somewhere. 22, it is found only once. So in all the list of employee, we just have one employee with age 22. So she is the minimum one. Okay, and what we got all the details. We got minimum salary. Salaries, oh so poor, man. 15,000. See, 15,000. How come one is 15,000 and another is 1,50,000? Okay, so only 1%. So this is how you can use collectors.t, guys. The reason being, this is just one of the example. Just let me know in the comment section what example more do you want. This is one which I thought I could do. As I say in all the videos, this data set is just for employees, departments, policies, addresses, and so on. You can use collectors in like in very efficiently, okay, in your data set. Maybe cars, maybe policies, maybe your organization objects, any objects, list of objects, maps, anything, how you use. You just have to see this video, you just have to correlate, or if you want some things, some problem if you have, and you want to use Java 8 features or something like that, okay, in your organization, just put it in comment section. I'll get in contact, and I have my Instagram channel. Just post me message over there, this is the thing, this is what we want, and I'll give you suggestions how can we write the code. Java 8 is so powerful, or not only Java 8, there are many APIs just like T came in Java 12. So these are lots of powerful APIs, guys. We can use this, like I cannot spell it out, like how can you use it, but those are really powerful. Okay, so this is for employees and things, but you can use along for your data. This was teeing. We will come with more examples for I'll come with one more maybe video where I'll collaborate all the APIs, partitioning by teeing, collecting, and then flat mapping, and so on and so forth, for our real life scenarios, real life examples. I'll also get some other data, just like some plans, cars, or you can suggest in comment section that how complex data do you want, or if you have some JSON data, just put it in, and then we will play around that data in our videos. Okay, so that's all guys for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Spread this Java 8 thing, Java 8 to 17. I'll come with more videos on the upper versions of Java or above versions of Java with the features which were introduced in Java. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Bye bye, tata. Take care guys.